Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I'm introducing you to this beautiful Volkswagen California. It's the Coast model. Registration is Papa November 22, Uniform Tango Tango. It's finished in Ascot Grey. It's in absolutely fantastic condition and has all the extras you'd want. So I'm going to walk you around and show you condition and features. Starting from the front, you can see we've got front parking sensors. Nice stainless engine there with California. Alloy wheels. A 16-inch. Vehicle's currently set up in day mode for leisure. The awning is out. The roof is up. Our table and chairs are set up as well. These all stow away with inside the vehicle. Chairs stow away with inside the boot, and the table goes inside the sliding door. We'll just jump in. So as I said, we'll set up in day mode. So you can see our sliding tables out. Twin captain chairs that both turn round. Later in the video we'll turn the driver's seat round so I can show you the driver's controls. So we just push this button here. To show us we've got 2 gas burners there, and we also have sink as well. Inside this one here, we've got our fridge, really nice and deep with a basket as well. Just show you our view across South Somerset today here at Rayland Car Sales. To the rear here we've also got more storage here as well. So I'm going to walk you around to the rear of the vehicle and show you the features on the tailgate while we get it all set up for night mode for sleeping. So to the rear we can see we've got rear parking sensors. We also have reversing camera as well, which I'll show you later in the video. Nice California badge there. Again, looking down the side, see the Coast emblem here. You also notice here we've got a lockable cap for our onboard water supply, as well as our hookup here for when we're on site. Looking down the side, you can see there's absolutely no dents or scratches whatsoever. Absolutely fantastic condition. As I've said, finished in an Ascot Grey, it's absolutely stunning colour. Also show you up on the roof here. The roof is in fantastic condition. There's no snags, rips or tears at all, as you would expect. The last owner was a member of the Caravan and Camping Club. It's always a good thing to see. So again, you can see the roof this side. Absolutely fantastic condition. So I do believe we're all set up now for sleeping. It shows you how quickly it can be changed. So we've got our blinds down for blackout. We also have the added option on this one as the comfort mattress as well, which is the topper that sits on top here. Makes it extremely comfortable. Have slept on one myself. Jumping up in the roof, we just pull the bed down. So you can see our mattress bed sleeping area up here. We've also got unzippable panels here, and also up in the top we also have a 12-volt socket, which is a handy thing to have for charging phones or whatnot. So I'm just going to jump through into the front. So the van has only covered 18,513 miles. Just turn that van down there now. So we can see we've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. It's all touchscreen on here. DAB radio. You can see our other DAB channels just loading up there. We also have satellite navigation, which you can see there. As I said, we've got our apps there as well. Various features on the car, so we can see our tyre monitoring system there as well. Hands-free phone there for our hands-free calls. We also have on board our heated seats as well, as you can see here, as well as air conditioning. Obviously the all-important automatic gearbox. Up here we'll find our management system for the camper itself, so you can see how much wastewater we've got on board and clean water. We control our fridge from here as well, and our auxiliary heater, so we've got a night heater on board. We've got various modes on here. One of my favourite here is on the alarm clock. We've got a sunrise function here as well, which I absolutely love. Just start the van up a moment. So you can see we've got no warning lights there, apart from just to tell us that our sliding door is open, as we've left it open there. Absolutely no warning lights whatsoever. Cruise control here as well. Our hands-free calls can be answered here as well. We also have electric windows to the front with electric folding heated mirrors as well. Another nice option. I've driven this vehicle myself, drives absolutely superb. Comes with 2 keys. And also here we've got our all-important heater key. So we simply click the button here and we can turn the heat on remotely. So if we're outside in the evening, we can just flick the button and it'll be nice and toasty when we get inside. If you have any more further questions, please feel free to give us a call. 01460 312 923. That's 01460 312 923. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and we'll speak to you soon.